All right, let's get into it. We're talking about this incredible carrot and orange glow juice. And trust me, it's way more than just a tasty drink. Think of it as your secret weapon for that amazing natural beauty, all from the inside out. So, let me ask you straight up. Are you ready to literally drink your way to glowing skin? Because that's exactly what we're going to break down today. How something this simple can give you, well, some pretty amazing results. Okay, so what are we really looking at here? The benefits are just, wow. We're talking brighter, healthier looking skin, stronger, shinier hair, and a totally natural body detox. So what's the secret? What's the magic here? Let's get into it. All right, so it all boils down to just four powerhouse ingredients. Let's see what each one is doing to unlock that natural glow for you. First up is the carrot. It's pretty humble, but what makes it so special is this thing called beta-carotene. And your body is super smart. It takes that stuff and converts it into vitamin A, which is an absolute superstar for your skin. So what's this vitamin A actually doing for you? Well, it gets to work repairing skin tissues. It helps protect your skin from all that nasty radiation from the sun. And it's what really brightens your skin to give you that glow everybody wants. But wait, there's more. It also helps fight off wrinkles, can reduce oily skin, and even gives your hair a major boost, making it stronger, thicker, and way shinier. Okay, ingredient number 2, oranges. And yeah, we all know about the vitamin C, but what we're really honing in on here is that they are just a massive source of antioxidants. So how does that help your skin? Well, for starters, those antioxidants go to war against premature aging and help slow down wrinkles from even forming. They can even act like a gentle exfoliant and help with acne. It's just a total game changer for your skin's look and feel. Okay, listen up, because this is a fantastic pro tip. Whatever you do, please do not juice the orange with the peel on. I'm telling you, it makes the whole thing incredibly sour. And for the absolute best taste, you're going to want to take off most of that white, stringy stuff, the pith, before you juice it. All right, our next 2 ingredients are a serious dynamic duo for your skin. We're talking about ginger and turmeric. Think of them as a power couple that works together to make your skin look amazing and even help heal blemishes. Let's break them down. So, ginger. It's absolutely loaded with antioxidants, and it helps protect your skin's collagen. The stuff that keeps it bouncy and elastic. Then you've got turmeric, which is this anti-inflammatory champion. It basically revives your skin and brings out that beautiful natural glow. Oh, and a little tip, if you don't have fresh turmeric, the powdered stuff works too. So, on top of all the skin and hair benefits, this juice is also an incredible detox drink. That amazing mix of vitamins and minerals helps flush out all the junk from your body. And what does that mean for you? You end up feeling way more energized all day long. Okay, so we know why it's so good for you. Now let's get to the fun part, actually making it. There are 2 really simple ways to do this at home. So you've basically got 2 choices, the juicer method or the blender method. A juicer, super fast results for sure. But let's be honest, cleaning all those little parts can be a total nightmare. The blender method, on the other hand, takes a couple more steps, but cleanup is usually a breeze. Now, if you've got a juicer, this is about as easy as it gets. Seriously, you just peel everything, the carrots, oranges, ginger, and turmeric. Then you just pop them into the juicer one at a time and boom, fresh juice ready to go. But hey, what if you don't have a juicer? Don't even worry about it. No problem at all. The blender method works great, and you'll get the exact same awesome results. Let's walk through how to do it. Okay, for the blender method, here's what you do. First, toss your carrots, ginger, and turmeric into the blender. Add just a splash of water, that'll help it get going. Now blend it up until it's totally smooth. The next step is important. You've got to strain out all the pulp. You can use a cheesecloth or one of those fine mesh kitchen strainers. And to finish it off, you just pour in your fresh orange juice, give it a really good stir, and that's it. You're ready to serve. And there you have it. Now for a couple final tips so you can get the most out of this amazing natural boost. So you might be wondering, how often should I drink this stuff? Well, for the best results, they say about 2 to 3 times a day. But honestly, it's all about listening to your body and doing what feels right for you. And one last thing, what about the sweetness? If you like your juice a little sweeter, go ahead and add a bit of honey or even sugar. But here's a little secret. If you use really ripe, sweet carrots, you probably won't need to add anything at all. It's often perfectly sweet just the way it is. And that's a wrap. So the big question is for you.
After hearing about all these incredible benefits and seeing just how simple it is to whip up, are you going to give this a try and unlock your own natural glow? I really hope you do. Thanks for tuning in.